Hello, in this video we are going to look at operator precedence in Python. So operators don't all have the same sort of priority depending on which one comes first, and its precedence, the actual result might actually vary. So let's just deal with essentially numbers for the purpose of this tutorial to keep it simple. But here is a list of all of the operators and their precedence. So first is exponent, then you got the complement, the mathematical operations, and all the way down to the logical operators. They are last. So again, we'll just be dealing with just a few of them, and in terms of numbers, and I'll put a link to this in the video, with the video, so you can access that for later reference. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable called var1, and I'm going to set it to, so let's have a look at the, so it says exponents is first, and then after is stuff like, the mathematical operations, the simple ones. So let's do 5 squared plus 7. And now let's do the same, almost, but make it equal to 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 and 2. So I'm just going to show you how this will vary. So print var1 and put in var2. So have a look, run it, and see what we get. Let's run it. Okay, you got 32 and 54, two different results. Okay, so with the first one, it goes through this table essentially. Okay, exponent, does that exist? Yes, so it's 5 squared, which is 25. And then the next operator is down here, and there's only one more, so it's plus 7, gives us 32. Whereas with this one, it first checks, does a exponent operator exist? Yes, it does. It's right here. So 7 squared is 49. Then it goes to the next operator. Even though this is written first, it goes to it afterwards because of the precedence. Plus 5 onto 49, you get 54. And honestly, there's not much more to it than that. Depending on the order, would yield a different result. So just bear that in mind. So that's it for this video on operator precedence. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.